Hola, estudiante. Welcome to this brief overview of Ritmos. It usually takes between 5 and 10 seconds to load, and you will see a small watch pop up showing you that it is loading. When you open it for the first time, it will ask for your first and last name. You're going to type that in and save it, and your name will appear on all the PDFs that you submit as part of your Tarea. In the home screen, you can see an orientation which you can take to familiarize yourself as well with the DVD-ROM. Also, you'll notice that there are a list of unidades. If you are taking Spanish 1010, you will go through 1 through 5, and if you're taking 1020, you'll work through 6 through 10. We will start here with uno, saludos. So you'll notice in the unidad there are 4 temas. You will need to complete each tema, and then you will submit a PDF of the completed tema for your homework or tarea. Next, you'll see gramática. The gramática is where you can learn about the different grammar. There is nothing to be submitted for this. This is just for your benefit to review grammar and also to practice grammar. You'll also see a grammar worksheet PDF. This is a PDF you can print out and you can complete the exercises by hand. You do not need to submit this, but you can use it to make sure that you understand the grammar. The answer sheet is going to be within your D2L course under course content. You also have a cultural topic PDF. This is a checklist which you can use after you have mastered each communication goal. In order to save it, you must first make a duplicate copy, and then you can save it, and you can check them as and when you go and complete each of these goals. Finally, you have the tema vocabulary. This has, for each of the 4 temas, the vocabulary that is used. And this is something that is useful for you to also save. Let's go back to the 4 temas that you'll be doing for your homework. If you we'll click on the first one, and you notice that there are several modules. Within each tema, there'll be between 7 and 8 modules. We will click on this first module. Now, I've already started working within this. You'll notice there are several screens, and these are labeled A through H. In this particular screen, we have A through E. And you'll notice the white screen shows where you are. The black screen shows a screen that I've already completed. And then a grey screen is a screen that I've yet to complete. So if I were to click on here, and then I could finish. Okay, let's go to the next one. So I've completed all these. Now, if I were just to click on the next one without actually completing it, you'll see that it is still grey. I would actually have to go back and complete the activity in order for it to be seen as completed. So once I've gone through that module, I'm going to click back and proceed to the next one. And I'm going to do this for all of the modules within this particular tema. Once I've completed it all, I'm going to click on the print out for this tema. I'm going to click on it, and before I print it, what I'm going to do is actually save as a PDF. I'm going to title it with maybe last name, unidad 1, tema 1. When I progress to the next one, I would do last name, unidad 1, tema 2. And you'd save them in the same folder so that you can find them easily. Now, you're going to do this for all 4 temas. You can submit to Dropbox as you complete each tema, or you can submit them all at the same time, as long as it's before the due date. You'll also notice up here there is a search box. This is a dictionary. So for example, let's look libro, and it tells you what it means, and it also will pronounce the word for you. If I click down here, it gives us the plural version. So that's it for the overview. Before we finish, one very important point. Whenever you need to quit, but you haven't finished submitting all the temas, always go to the Ritmos homepage and then click quit. If you just close out using the red button, your work might not be saved. So always come back to the home page and then click quit. If you have any questions, do post all your questions in the discussion board. Thank you for watching. Gracias y muy buena suerte.